Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can change password of your Google account or of your Gmail account. So what you have to do is open your browser, no matter which one you have, just open it up and then type in google.com. All right. So once you are in this Google Chrome search engine, what you have to do is on the top right, you're going to see here either a login button or a sign up button, or you're going to see your profile in it. If you don't see your profile, just log in to it and then hit on this profile button, and then you're going to see this option as manage your Google account. Hit on that, and then you will be in this Google account management system where you can manage your account. Now, once you're here, what you have to do is on from the left option, you guys can see home, personal info, data and privacy, and then security tab. Hit on the security tab, and then you guys will be in the security page where you guys can change your password. You guys can enable two-step verification, or you guys can enable passkey. Scroll down until you see this password button. Hit on the password button, and there on the next page, it's gonna ask you to change your password. Just type in your new password or confirm your new password. Sometimes, before this page, it will ask you to verify your account. That will be for your security. So just type in your password of the Google account if you see that page. Otherwise, you will be on this page where you can change the password. Now here, in the first tab, what you guys can do is you guys can type in the new password that you want for your account, and then just confirm the new password that you typed in over here. Just retype it in this tab, all right? And then hit on change password. After that, once you hit this button, your password of your Gmail account or of your Google account will be changed. And then, whenever you want to log into your account, you have to use the new password that you changed. All right? So, guys, that's how you change your password. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.